Alright, how's it going, traders? Where are we? Let's take a look at the banter balls. On the daily time frame, it's all red. The market is bearish. I'm on the daily time frame also on this chart, and you can see that structures are just breaking to the downside. If I scroll in, you'll see that we're just breaking structures. Here's what I mean. We took out this level and we have not really had a retrace. On the lower time frame, we've had very little retraces, but on the major, you'll see that right now it looks like we're in the middle of nowhere. This level also has been taken, so we've broken the structure again, bearish, and now we're here, and these levels are not looking strong enough to hold this chart, and that's the reason I think we're going lower before we begin to buy. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please do well to like and subscribe so you don't get to miss a thing. So if I go to the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour chart, you can see that we now have a new range. Here's what I mean. We have this level acting as a resistance, and we also have this level acting as a support. So on the short time frame, what I'll be looking out for, it's a buy. If I see a 15 minutes or in a 1-hour market structure shift, is a buy. But whatever buys I'm taking right now is just gonna be scalp buys, not trades I hold for long. So what I mean is, if we come down here this way, let's say we continue to come down, and eventually the chart does this on the 1-hour or 15 minute time frame, the 1-hour is going to be stronger, the 15 minutes is going to be weaker. If I see it on the 1-hour time frame, I'm going to take a long, and whatever long I'm taking, it's going to be a short time long, because I have in mind that once we come here, we do this, we came back here, we will continue downwards this way. So I'm going to be taking whatever long I'm taking down here with a pinch of salt. Risk management applied, short-term trade, because the market is really weak right now and we are most likely to go down. So that's how I'm going to be playing this. Right now I'm short. I took a short trade on H bar, this. So I took a short trade here. This hasn't really dropped, but I'm confident it's going to drop further. So if I look on the 1-hour time frame, you'd see that the market is really weak. If you didn't take a short trade when the market was here, there's no point taking a short trade here, because what is most likely going to happen is that we go up a little bit here, then continue to go downwards. So that's about it, guys. The trend is bearish. If we come down to this level and we see a market structure shift on the 1-hour time frame, I like to use the 1-hour time frame because it's stronger. 15 minutes is not that strong. A lot of manipulation happens on the 15 minutes time frame, so I'll rather wait for a proper market structure to be formed on the 1-hour time frame before I decide. But overall, as a summary, here's what I'm saying. We are currently bearish. Structures are breaking. See this, break, no retests, break, a little retests, break, a little, another break. What does that tell you? That we are super bearish. And now we had this leg up. I was thinking it was gonna go here, which would be a little stronger, but it all seems like you want to come back down. Hopefully it doesn't break this level. If it breaks this level like this again, then it means we're just gonna do this. But if it just comes down this way, if it comes down this way, and then we do this here, then we can long back to this level. So that's how I'm playing this. And if you want to do exactly how I do, make money trading the crypto market, like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't get to miss a thing. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.